In the video tutorial, I will share about programming, Scratchia, which is commonly used for various interests, usually used for the kids. Example: simple animation. We just start. As usual, yes, we open this website, yes. Scratch this one. Next. Can log in, yes. I happen to have logged in. I just choose Create. We wait for the process. Well, here. Already open. There is a code here. This is what we're gonna use. Then there's custom. This custom is the picture. This is a picture of a cat. First custom. The cat is like this. How it looks. Custom the second, she's like this. So, we'll take a picture later. This cat walks. Like that, yeah. Oh, sorry, run, you run. Doesn't seem to be walking, yeah? Okay, let's just start. We go back to the code. Next, we choose this control. Then search there if ... then. We just pull this here. Okay, yeah, next. We select sensing. Well, this is it. Then we select key space pressed. Here, yeah, okay. So we move this cat to the right by using right row. Yes, right arrow. When we hit the arrow to the right, then the cat will move. Then we select motion. Comedian moved a step. Search for this, put it below. Well, next, we will select the movement is to the right. Then we select look. Point in direction. Search here points in direction. Well, this is it. Pull it over here. Well, let's change it to 90. Because her cat to the right, move to the right. That's why I made 90. Next, I duplicate. I copied it. Well, like that. I just pull it here. Well, I'll change this. Movement to the left. Then I press left row arrow to the left. The point in direction will also change, being negative 90. Well, like that. Well, it's been like that. Then we give it to him. Forever, because over and over. Select control. Then we select forever. We put it here. Well, like that. Then flanked all. Script if. Next, we're gonna use event. When clicked, or when pressed. Yes means event. We select event. This is it. When click, we put it in the top. Okay, let's run. Click the flag. This green go. Okay. Try to press on the keyboard, the guys. Arrow to the right. Well, like that. Reverse, yeah. Reverse. But it's been able to. But in reverse, his movements are still stiff. While we using to custom. Yes, first custom and second custom means we put it here. Next custom is in looks. Then select next custom. Pull here. Well, this too we give. Next custom. Let the movement. Using custom existing. The first custom and the second custom. After I give, like this, we run. Click go. OK, try the arrow. To the right, well now it's running. It's just upside down. How not to turn upside down? Here the way is quite easy. Just click the section. The direction of this. Click then select the one in the middle of this. Left right. Yeah, let him not spin. Click this middle one. OK, after being select like this, try to run it. Back here we stop first. Click the go again. Run, press the arrow to the right. Yes, that's right. Hit the arrow to the left. Yes, he is right. Well, it's not upside down anymore. This is how. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.